Well, hello. Update. Working on a dump box. Man, you wonder why stuff costs so much and what goes into building it until you start building it. The platform on the bottom is the same as the flatbed, which is over there. Got that done, all primered up and everything. So, made a bunch of little changes, but not much. The dump box has got to be. I extended the front here where the cable goes. I think I said that in the last video. I extended that a little bit so that the cable doesn't go up against here at all. Just the cable comes over. Just the cable comes underneath instead of the part of the hook. But yeah, I meant by all the little things and tedious things you got to do, you know, like you can't really see in there, but you know, making all these caps and putting there and welding them in. Filling in a spot because I cut it too short. Welding all that, I got to still weld all that. Welding all the back. Putting caps on back here and there. Got some on. Well, that side and the front top, that side I still got to weld. Yeah, it's a lot of work. A lot goes into it. Yeah, that's the dump box. I'm working on the gate here pretty soon. I'll probably have that done. Get another video next week. I do a video of my PTO generator though for my smaller tractor, garden tractor, I guess. Yeah, we've been using vegetable oil for anti-splatter. It works out pretty good. Cleans up nice. Doesn't stick on there. The beads don't stick on, they come right off. Pretty much. This would be better to show you. See, they just come right off. That's vegetable oil. Just spray that on there and then weld and then wire brush it off. Don't have to take a grinder to it. Well, that's my update. So, gotta get a gate done. Gotta finish plugging these up. Then get some primer on her. And then I also gotta fix this hitch a little bit, put more supports in it. When I had the dump box on and the axle up, it puts a lot more weight on there than I want. So, which is fine. It'll work. Alright, so there's the update. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Alright, God bless. We'll see you in the next video.